Drop that. Yeah, feel the funk, y'all. Yeah, feel the funk, y'all. Yeah, they laid back in the cut. What's up? What's up?
Hello my doves, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Aphrodite by Olympia. If you're new here, my name's Olympia and I do videos on beauty and makeup available in Australia for deeper skin tones. Well guys, this is the last video in the designer brand's ICU 6 shade eyeshadow palette series that I have been doing here on my channel, including the giveaway. So if you're just new here, there is a giveaway attached to this series. Every single video there is a secret word that I reveal to you somewhere along the video, and it's your job to create the secret sentence using the secret word and be subscribed to be eligible to win one of 3 prizes of a full face of designer brands makeup. But I'm pretty sure some of y'all already know what the secret sentence is, so yeah, so there's that. Now, I wish I could have shown you guys what the actual prize looks like in these videos, but I have not received everything just yet, so please check out my Instagram. I will put my handle up on the screen for you guys. Check out my Instagram, just keep, you know, stalking it, because I will at some point post what the prizes are going to look like. I think we've finished it with the bang. I've got a beautiful blue champagne look for you guys using Sea Breeze, which is the last palette in this series. So to see this look in action, all y'all gotta do is keep watching. So it's really stormy right now, so if you can hear the rain in the background, I do apologize. There's obviously not much that I can do about that, so hopefully the background noise isn't too bad. Anyway, we're going into Sea Breeze. This is the last one of the designer brand's ICU 6 shade eyeshadow palette series, and I'll also be revealing obviously the last word in the sentence. So let's get started with this one. There's a fly in here as well, so if I swat at it, that's why. I'm going to be doing, let's see, I reckon I'll do like obviously a blue look, but using this particular blue here and the champagne shade as well, and I'm going to use a little bit of this blue too. So we're going to do probably a halo eye, I reckon. So we're going to start off with this. It's my Ray BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and we're going to go into that blue here. So I really want to pack the color on. Ooh, that is so bright, vibrant. Look how vibrant that is. Wow. Guys, I was not, my body was not ready for that. Like, what the heck? I love these palettes. They are so pigmented. They show up on my skin tone, which clearly means that it's pigmented enough to, you know, do its job. Okay, now that I've laid down that blue, it looks amazing. Oh, it looks so good. I'm now gonna take the designer brand's shadow blending brush and I'm going to buff out the edges, just like this. Circular motions. Oh guys, I'm so impressed with that. Who do I look like? I look like, I swear to God, there's a character who has like just blue eyeshadow. It's not even blended this well, and like she's a bigger lady. Who is that? Like, it just automatically comes to mind, but I just can't think who it is. Reminds me of her, whoever the person is, like whoever the character is. So I'm just honestly taking my time to like buff this out. Until I'm happy with, yes. Okay, now we're gonna cut the crease, guys. Just we're just gonna do a halo cut crease. Okay, I've cut my crease. It's not perfect, but you probably noticed that it's never perfect and it still kind of turns out okay. So we're gonna keep going, otherwise I'm gonna be spending way too much time on the crease, which is not ideal. So we're gonna continue. I'm gonna lay down that champagne gold color here. I am gonna use a flat shader brush. Okay, so this is a designer brand's eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna wet it. Okay. Okay, going into that blue now. We lost a little bit of the gold, so sorry, the champagne, so we're just gonna pop it back in. Just blending those two together. Yeah, that's it there. Now I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of that blue as well to the inner corner. Just using a pencil brush. This is the Zoeva Petite Eye Blender 223, and I'm also going to wet it. Just like that, and just right in the inner corner there, and then just blending that in. Once again, we're using the designer brand's cream gel liner in the color black. And we are going to line away using the usual wing liner 317. Alright guys, so that's the liner done. Now we're just going to put some lashes on. I am going to once again use the Lily Lash. I forgot to mention in the previous video what lash I used. It was the Lily Lashes in the style Miami. Okay guys, so let's put the base on. Once again, for the last time in this series, we're going to put on the designer brand Skin Quencher. This is a primer moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E and vitamin C. And we're going to go in with the designer brand's 24-hour long wear foundation. This is the shade Deep Honey 291. This is one of the 3 shades that I helped designer brands create. If you want to see that video, I will link it in the cards here or here, in the cards at the top. And to go with this, we're going to be using the Morphe Y6, yeah, foundation brush. Okay guys, that's the foundation on. As you can see, it's a perfect match. I live. So now it's time for concealer, powder, bronzer. Now designer brands don't make those products for my shade yet. So I'm gonna go off camera and apply those three, and I'll be back for lips, highlight, blush, and then we'll complete the under eye. I'll be back. Okay guys, so I am bronzed, concealed and powdered. As you can see, the products that I used, I'll link them in the description below. I am gonna do lips now, just because I feel a little naked without them. I am going to do probably just a nude lip. I've been doing the same lip each time, I know. Yeah, not much I can do about that. We're gonna go dusty nude once again. But first I need a liner. Longwear Matte Lip Color by Designer Brands in the shade Dusty Nude. Okay, so that was the lips. Now we can do highlighter. We've got the Brilliant Skin Blush Illuminating Duo in the shade Afterglow by Designer Brands. There are the shades there. I'm gonna go into this one to highlight. And I'm using the Morphe R36 brush. Okay, I'm highlighted. Now it's time for blush. Right there. And tone that down like I usually do with Micro Smooth. I think this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray is like my favorite spray. I think I like it like even more than MAC Fix Plus, which is crazy, but I just really love the mister on this. Okay guys, I'm going to zoom you back in and we're going to finish the under eye. So in with that blue there. I'm just gonna buff that out. Now we're gonna go into that metallic blue in the inner corner and we're gonna wet it. Alright, let's put some mascara on that bottom lash line. Okay guys, that's the look. It's all done. Let me zoom you back out again. Alright guys, this is the completed look. What do you think? Do you like it? I like it. I think it's awesome. But unfortunately, all good things must come to an end, and this is the final video in my 6-part series showcasing the Designer Brand's 6-shade eyeshadow palettes to you guys, including the giveaway. So yeah, you guys should have every single secret word to create the secret sentence that will make you eligible as long as you're subscribed to win the prize. Some of y'all already know, and I'm very impressed. This competition giveaway closes on the 28th of February. so we do have some time, but like I said earlier, you gotta be in it to win it. Now, I just want to know one thing from you guys. Which look out of all of the 6 looks that I have created is your favorite? Let me know down below. We've got the fiery look, which I live for. We have the effortless glam look that only used, what, 2 colors, so easy. We had the green smoky eye, which was fun to do. We had that silvery look from last week, which I absolutely adore. And I think my personal favorite would have to be the pink liner look. I think that look was just so beautiful. It was my favorite. And then of course we've got this blue look that I've done for you guys today. So yeah, let me know down below what your favorite look was. And yeah, I'm gonna say goodbye, guys. I will see you on the next video. Make sure you're subscribed, check out my Instagram, all that good stuff. And yeah, bye guys.